I incorporated these three products into my skincare routine, and what I noticed is plumper, more hydrated, glowy skin. As you can see from my before and after, today I'm going to show you how I use these three skincare products, what they are, and also how it applies under my makeup, which is huge. I've learned something as I've gotten older that less is best, especially when prepping for my makeup. I've actually seen makeup artists talk about this. Since I started doing this, I notice a big difference in the way my makeup looks and the way it wears. Let's get into it. I've been testing out these three products and they have changed my prep for my makeup. It also just changed my skin in general. So I'm going to go through each one and I'm going to share what I like about each one. And then I'm going to do a demo using my Laduora device, which is a red light therapy and microcurrent all in one. So this makes it super, super easy. I'm going to do a makeup base for you too as well, so you can see what it looks like under makeup because it doesn't pill or ball or any of that. So the first product that I like to use is this. And this is the Vitality Treatment Mist. And what I love about this is it is so hydrating on my skin. So that is going to be the first step after I cleanse. So you always want to make sure you cleanse your face first. So I spray this on. I will show you in a minute. And then also you can use this on top of makeup. So you're going to see me use this after I apply my makeup as well. And then I like to go in with, this. And this is the Bioadaptive Cellular Serum. So that is applied as my next step. And then I'm going to go in and I'm going to use this. So we'll do that. And then the last step, which I will show you at the ending, is this. And this is the Bioadaptive Recovery Cream. So what I've noticed with my skin is I feel like I have more of a glow to my skin. I feel like my skin looks less red. I had some redness, as you can see in my before and after photos. Since I started using the skincare, I've noticed less redness, more glow, more hydration to my skin. So before I get started, I want to zoom you in so you can see what my face looks like now. Then we're going to take another look, and then I'm going to apply my makeup, zoom you in. We're going to do a lot of zooming in on this video, so let's take a look. So this is my skin before. And now we're going to begin. So I'm going to do one side of my face first. I'm going to apply the mist first. I'm going to go in with my serum, apply that. We're going to turn on my device. I like to turn up to 6. Yeah, I like to start at 6, and then I like to go from the bottom and go up. You always want to go in an upward motion. Now you can use this on your neck. You just don't want to go anywhere in the center. So just keep gliding it up. And now I'm going to start here. I'm going to do a shorter version of my treatment today too than I normally do. But you always want to go in an upwards motion. And as I'm doing this too, all that skincare is getting penetrated deeper into my skin, which I love. Now that little bit of pink that's just my blood circulation, okay? So you're going to see that as I'm using this. You don't want to use pressure either. You just want the device to do all the work. You just glide it. It's so easy to do, super quick to do. Now you can use this under your eyes too as well, but you want to set it at a lower setting. I'm not going to use it under my eyes today. Okay, one side's done. Let's do the other. Applying the serum. Again, upwards motion. And I usually count how many sweeps I do. You can get the center here under your chin. And then you want to go up. Once the treatment is finished, we're going to go in with this. And this is the Bioadaptive Recovery Cream. So there you go. I love that it has a little scoop on here, so you don't have to stick your fingers in. Then you know how much to get how much product. You don't need a ton of this product. A little goes a long way. And I will go ahead, apply that all over. I even like to get on the back of my neck, my ears, and really massage that in. Now, the last step, of course, would be to put a sunscreen on. I am not going outside today, so I'm not wearing a sunscreen. But if I were going outside, I would want to apply sunscreen after this because you want to protect your skin. But this absorbs really well. It doesn't feel greasy or sticky or heavy in any way. There's no scent to this. It feels wonderful on my skin. And look at my skin now. So I'm going to zoom you in so you can see what my skin looks like. See how nice and glowy and pretty and prepped my skin is? Now we're going to go into the makeup portion. And I'm not going to do a full face. I really want to show you the base. So I'm going to go ahead and use a foundation. I'm going to use just a little amount. I don't need to use a ton. My skin looks really, really good. So I'm just going to go ahead and take my brush. And I'm going to start applying my foundation. I'm going to do one side first so you can see what it looks like. One thing I've noticed too is the less foundation I wear, the better. Sometimes I will even just wear a concealer on my face. I just think it looks the best on me. It doesn't look heavy. I don't like anything heavy or, cakey or whatever. But do you see how nice my foundation is applying? I'll show you a close-up of my face. You can see it still looks like my skin. So. See how nice it looks? It doesn't look heavy at all. I mean, it really looks like my skin. So I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Do you see how that looks? I'm going to show you close up again. It really looks pretty over that skincare. It doesn't look heavy. It's not balling, as you could see. It looks like my skin. So I'm going to get the rest of my makeup on. I want to powder. And then I'm going to come back because I want to show you one more thing. Okay, so now I have all my makeup on. I'm going to spray it. Before I do, I'm going to zoom you in again. But now we're going to go ahead and spray the Vitality Treatment Mist. And this is something you can spray throughout the day. If you just feel like you need a little bit more hydration, just go back in with this. And look at how pretty and glowy my skin looks. I'm going to zoom you in again. So even with powder, it doesn't look heavy or cakey at all. Looks really, really pretty. My skin just shines through. I'm going to zoom you in so you can see what my skin looks like. I've had this on for a while now. So you can see how beautiful my skin looks even with makeup on. It doesn't look like I have a lot of makeup on. It doesn't look heavy. And it looks glowy still. So what I've noticed since I started using these products, my skin looks and feels more hydrated. I see less redness. My skin looks and feels more plump. And again, I just love using this as a base for my makeup too as well. So I am going to show you again my before and after. I see a big difference. I'm also going to share a code with you so you can save a little bit of money on this. You can check it out. I'll leave all the links below in the description. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll catch you all in my next one. Bye.